Hello everyone, my name is Jeffrey and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to replace the inner tube of my wheelbarrows. Oh, my poor wheelbarrows. I think the inner tire is leaking. I need to replace one. First thing first, let's get my wheelbarrow to the front and get started. Let's lay it up. Okay. Here are the tools you may need today: gloves, wrenches, pry bars, a power drill, socket adapters, sockets, and an air pump. What I'm gonna do first is to take these two bolts out and the brackets out as well. Once the bolts and brackets are out, I can take the whole wheels out. Let's get started. Got it all. Wow, it's full of water. I'm gonna have to get this out this time. Alright, So this is a couple of inner tube that I bought on Amazon. It cost me about around $15.99, and this is the size. You can fit either 3.0 or 3.50-8 size of tire. Here you can see that my tire is 3.5-8. The reason why I bought this on Amazon, I believe there are many options you can find on Amazon. The reason why that I like this one is because it has a 90-degree valve. Here you can see on the screen. So that makes me easier to inflate or deflate the tires whenever I need it. I made this by myself, and this is just something for me to easier to turn on and off the air. And the second part here you can see is a vacuum system to filter out oil or water from the tank, so you can pure air down the line. I will put the link in the description below if you want to build one by yourself.
There we go. $10 bar. $20 is enough. $20 is enough. Okay. One side or the other, I guess. This. Finally, got ourselves a new wheelbarrow. Oh, it is a new type.
If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button for more content like this. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.